So I was just listening to a bit of news, and I guess the COVID conditioning worked perfect because in Nova Scotia they have locked people out of the woods, fishing, camping, walking, hiking outside in the woods because of dry conditions. Yep, we've been trained better than these cows back here. We're not much above them anymore. They're caged in and they are allowed permissions. And we chase them down and bring them in when they get beyond the fence line. We are chattel. What other weird ass lockdown are they going to do next? Ban on running shoes, I bet. Bad for the environment. You should be home eating chips, getting fat on your couch. Be a good Earth citizen. Get fat and die as soon as you can. Oh.